Hello, today we will guide you through how to merge cells in Google Sheets. To begin, open your Google Sheets file and navigate to the spreadsheet where you want to combine cells. Once the sheet is on screen, take a moment to locate the area you want to edit. Merging cells is commonly used when you want to create a centered title, combine header spaces, or make a section of your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized. Next, select the sample data or the group of cells you want to merge. You can do this by clicking and dragging across adjacent cells, or by clicking a single cell if that is the one you want to work with. It is important to make sure you only highlight the cells you actually want to combine, because merging changes how the content is displayed within that selected range. After your cells are selected, move to the top toolbar in Google Sheets and click on the Merge option. This is the control used to combine the selected cells into one larger cell. Once you click it, Google Sheets will apply the merge to your highlighted selection. As you do this, keep in mind that merging cells affects formatting and layout. It can be very useful for visual organization, especially in titles and section headers, but it may also affect sorting, filtering, or copying data later. If your goal is mainly to center text across several columns, merging works well, but it is always a good idea to double check that the new layout still supports the way you plan to use the sheet. If the merge result does not look the way you expected, you can simply adjust your selection and try again. Paying close attention to the range before clicking Merge can save time and help keep your spreadsheet neat and readable. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, select the data or cells you want to combine, and use the Merge button in the top toolbar to complete the action. With just a couple of clicks, you can make your spreadsheet headings and labels look much more polished and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you merge cells in Google Sheets with confidence.